Good morning, everyone, and welcome once again to Jeffrey's regular channel page on this Saturday, December 24th, Christmas Eve 2022. We're just letting the Erie, Crawford, and Asheville residents, as well as a couple other Ohio County residents, know that the winter storm warning for Erie, Crawford, Ashtabula, and a few other Ohio counties has been canceled, so that's good news to report. But there is a winter weather advisory in effect for Erie counties only until 4 o'clock tomorrow. They're supposed to call for uh supposed to call for snow accumulations around 3 to 5 inches here around Erie and north of I-86 or something. So again, the winter storm watch for Crawford, Erie, Ashtabula, and Ohio counties has been canceled, so that's good news to report. But there is a winter weather advisory for Erie counties until 4 o'clock tomorrow. But the wind chill warning remains in effect until 10 o'clock today. And there is another Operation Weather we're going to do in a few minutes. We got a wind chill advisory in effect. We're going to do that coming up in just a little bit. But first, we're going to remind everyone here, if they haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube, as well as Jeffrey the Train Expert's YouTube channel. We got over 550 videos on the regular channel page of the holidays and occasions. We're going to do one tomorrow to honor Christmas. Semi trucks. We've seen the salt trucks go by the other day, or last couple days or something. So we got the garbage trucks. We also do the weather updates we're doing now, and all that. And we also do the sports recaps and all that good stuff. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channels. Check it out. Make sure to subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. We just got less than 90 subscribers on the Train Expert channel, and we got over 1,500 videos of trades and tradeless videos to enjoy of Titusville, Meadville, Erie, Northeast, Greenville, Butler, excuse me, and all that good stuff. All trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. They just canceled the winter storm warning early today because they're supposed to. It was supposed to call for a lot of snow today, but all of Erie County, but the winter storm watch for Erie counties has been canceled, but there is a winter weather advisory for Erie counties only, but until 4 o'clock tomorrow. But the wind chill warnings are going to stay in effect until a half an hour today. Less than a half an hour today. And then coming up in just a bit, coming up next here on the regular channel page, we're going to be doing the wind chill advisory for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties. Because I knew everybody it is under a wind chill warning until half an hour, but I think everybody's under a wind chill advisory coming up. We're gonna talk. We'll get to that here coming up in just a bit. So, well, let's take a look at the forecast. We'll do Erie first, since they have an Operation Weather. Let's take a look at the forecast for today for Erie, as we're today. They're saying windy with occasional snow showers, areas of blowing snow, high 16, chance of snow 80%, snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Tonight, periods of snow and windy, areas of blowing snow, low 13, chance of snow 100%, a foot or more of snow expected. I never seen a snow accumulations like this. I think I seen it once in the Crawford County area, but that was it. So, but mostly all the snow we're gonna have snow accumulations around Erie instead of Crawford or something. So, here's the forecast for tomorrow. Periods of snow and windy, high 19, chance of snow 100%, snow accumulating 5 to 8 inches, heavier mountains and precip snow bands. And tomorrow night, cloudy with snow showers early, low 10, chance of snow 60%, about 1 inch of snow expected. Let's go ahead and do the northeast forecast for today. Occasional snow showers, quite windy, high 15, winds southwest at 25-35 miles per hour. Chance of snows 80%, but snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Tonight, snow with gusty winds at times, low 12, chance of snow 100%, snow accumulating a foot or more. And tomorrow, periods of snow and windy, high 18, chance of snow 100%, snow accumulating 5 to 8 inches. Heavier snow bands expected as well. And tomorrow night, cloudy with snow showers early, low 10, chance of snow 60%, snowfall around 1 inch. Let's take a look at the forecast for Saturday. Windy, snow flurries, or any snow showers throughout the day. Areas of blowing snow, high 10, chance of snow 40%. Today, well, we have two storm updates today on this Christmas Eve 2022. Tonight, they're saying snow showers, low 7, chance of snow 40%, snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Yeah, Sunday, it's tomorrow, Christmas Day, cloudy with snow showers early, high 13, chance of snow 40%. I don't think tomorrow didn't say nothing. Let's and last but not least, we're doing our weather here today. Today they're saying windy early, but snow showers in the afternoon. Areas of blowing snow, high 9, chance of snow 40%. Any snow accumulations there? Not during the day, but there is a snow accumulations at night, though. Yeah. But, but yep, tonight they're saying snow showers low 7, chance of snow 50%, snow accumulations less than 1 inch. And tomorrow mainly cloudy with snow showers and early. High 13, chance of snow 40%. So it's so there's not going to be much snow around the on the forecast for Crawford counties or something. But I think most of Erie County is supposed to call for snow, not only today but tomorrow. So, all right, we have another Operation Weather right now. We got a wind chill warning, or should be advisory. We're gonna do coming up next on the regular channel page. So we're gonna get off again that the winter storm the winter storm warning for Crawford, Erie, and Asheville, and a couple of Ohio, excuse me, Ohio counties. Mm, has been canceled. That's good news, but there is a winter weather advisory for for Erie counties until 4 o'clock tomorrow, but the wind chill advisory or wind chill warnings are still in effect until 10 o'clock this morning. But we're gonna do the wind chill advisories coming up next here on the regular channel page soon as we get back on with the next weather update. So we're gonna get off and we'll get back on with the next weather update. That will be the wind chill advisory. Talk to you later.